That's it. Huh. Okay, so I got a letter in the mail today. You can send me mail, I'll open it, do things with, what's that? These boxers? No. Shop rags. I got a letter from Perrin today. Strange. I wonder if they're watching our videos. I think they might be watching our videos. Are you watching our videos? Because you probably should. You gotta like and subscribe. That's your chance to win. Instead of coilovers, instead of wheels. Anyway, so I got this letter here. Let's open it. Ugh. A lot of glue. Perrin uses some heavy-duty glue. Okay, business card, nice. See here. Hello. Here you will find a box of items to have fun with. No cost, no strings attached. Some of the things you can do with them. Give them away, use them, install them, give to your favorite employee, give them to customers, offer them as prizes, sell them, look at them, talk about them, talk to them, wipe up messes with them, wear them. We just want you to have fun with them. If you have any questions, please contact John Lytle. Now, John Lytle doesn't know it, or maybe he does. We actually drank drinks together in Key West, and I haven't really heard a lot from him lately. And then this just shows up. Well, John sent us some neon pitch stop mounts, a neon tow hook, a sway bar, 2 sway bars, and some license plate relocation brackets. So for John's efforts, besides the swag, we'll do some media on these products since they're here. We'll make pretty videos. And then we're gonna have a contest to see who can like and share our videos on YouTube, this one specifically. Whoever gets the most subscriptions wins a prize. You know what prize it is? Freaking car parts. What do you think? Yeah, the one who gets the most subscriptions. Yeah, for our YouTube, right? So if they post it and share it to all their friends, and they're like, yo, subscribe to this because whoever did the most shares and likes, whoever did the most effort, yeah, you're gonna win. You're gonna win. You're gonna win big in neon yellow. It's very bright, very bright. Let's see. I gotta figure out how to open this because it's tight. It's packaged well. Look at it! Put on your sunglasses. And then if you don't have a Subaru and you win it, I mean, you can do all sorts of things with this. Paperweight. This is an aggressive paperweight. Look at that. You thought I was gonna say that you could... Okay, anyway. Well, we're gonna give some parts away, but first let's do some features on them and make this fun. Thanks again, John. Thanks, Perrin. We like selling your products. I'll be in touch, okay? Call you. Hey, Damien. What's up? How's that single life treating you? Weird?